Go ahead and take this long position right here on oil. It's a point and click. There we go. We got our fill. Here's an archer arch. Here's how it sets up. We have the neckline right here, and that we have price comes up, price comes down back to the neckline. Here's the hole. We call it the archer arch hole. We also have a confirming dot, and here's our entry at the break of the previous bar high. Simple as that. Now, I'm not going into too much more detail on the setup of this. It's beyond the scope of what we are doing here in this video. Okay, we're banging off our profit target right here. We should get our fill. Here we go. Come on. And there it is. All right, we did 480 on that trade. Not too bad. Again, here's our neckline off the cyan color dot. Price comes up, price comes down to the neckline, and we have a break of our candle, and we have a confirming dot. And that's pretty much all there is to it. We'll go into more detail if you would like to attend one of our free trials. You can just go to our website, www.tradexchange.com, and sign up for one of our free trials, and we'll go into much greater detail on all these aspects here of how we set up these trades. So anyway, let's look for another trade here. They look like they're happening pretty frequent today. Alright, looks like we have another oil trade right here. This one, however, is not going to be long. It's going to be short. And we'll point and click our execution. Alright, let's just be a little more patient here. There we go. And there, we got our fill on 6 contracts, average fill 52.53. And we have our stop set up at the top and our profit target down at the bottom here. Pretty standard archer arch trade, just like the setup last time except reversed. And hey, there it is. Alright, we're up 1,080 on 2 pretty quick trades here. Sometimes they happen this fast, other times you have to be a little bit more patient. But that was a pretty nice trade. Again, here's our neckline. Price comes down. Price comes back up to the neckline, and we play the break of the previous bar's low. And there's our confirming dots. And that's pretty much it. Well, let's try one more. Third time's a charm, right? So let's examine the charts here. Try to find a nice setup. Alright, here we have a long position. Oil. 6 contracts. Basically the same setup as we've been taking here. Neckline, price comes up, price comes down to the neckline, enter at the break. We have confirming dots. That's all there is to it. I don't want to make it sound too easy, but it's basically that's it. So alright, we'll bring in our stop to break even. So we're in a pretty good shape on this one. There's really not a lot to do at this point. You could split the contracts, take half out now, so, basically scale out on this. I think we'll just stay in as a pretty solid trade. It's got plenty of room. Now that yellow dot at the top there, that's our profit. That could be considered your profit target if you were scaling out, and you could scale it out at each of those yellow dots. But that's something we go into further detail during our workshops if you want to attend one of our free market trials where we trade for you in our trading room live, just like we're doing right here, except this obviously is a recording. But when you go to our free trials, it's not a recording. So that's always important to watch people trade live, and we welcome all. Okay, this is one little pop-up and we'll be done here, folks. And that's all she wrote. Alright, we're up 1,560 on 3 trades. Pretty quick trades, actually. So that's about all we'll do today. And we'll hit it again tomorrow.